Plus, The Good Wife, CSI Miami. That's tonight, only on CBS. Up next, CBS Sports jumps back on the road to the Final Four with the showdown between 7th-ranked Indiana and number 5 Ohio State. And looking ahead to Championship Sunday 1 week from today on CBS, we'll be on the air at a special time. That will be 2 Eastern.
I don't.
NFL today will be set for the title game at 3. The Ravens taking on the New England Patriots. Now, the winner, of course, heads to Indianapolis for Super Bowl 46. Fellas, as we break down the game, I know there were some big topics we were discussing going into the game. Let's start first with you, Coach. Your thoughts.
The thing I'm concerned with this ball is where is Terrell Suggs? There is no pressure on him to read. It's his house. There's no question. We're going to need all hands on deck at all tonight.
When you look at the New England Patriots, Coach, they lost three of the last 4 playoff games. 13 sacks giving up. That's how you beat the New England Patriots offense. You can't worry about trying to stop all those weapons with Gronkowski and Hernandez.
You got to give the Saints respect, considering they were in that game. DJ Yates turned the ball 3 times. It could have been more. Max Schaub is still healthy and playing. So this team's going to win a long way because the way they run the football and play defense.
Hey, Houston's defense is unbelievable. 227 total yards. Better be much sharper.
Go ahead. Your thoughts, though.
No, I think it was Houston had a great plan, and obviously the mistakes were hurting. That much punt. You see it came back to hurt them with those 7 points. It would have been probably a totally different game, and they could have had a chance to win it at the end.
I like the Baltimore Ravens chance a lot better because I don't think they'll see a defense like this from the New England Patriots. Houston Texans are special defensively.
No pressure. We talked about the window of opportunity closing on Ray Lewis. We will hear from him when we come back.
Is a big year for athletes everywhere.
Dive into it with all you got.
Train like the best with a tender Subway turkey milk. Merely 7 grams of fat.
Better for you and irresistible too.
Subway, the official training restaurant
of athletes everywhere.
Start the new year with a bang with the Subway Chipotle Chicken and Cheese. January's featured $5 footlong. Juicy chicken and melted cheese with a pop of spicy Chipotle flavor. This January only, it joins our $5 footlongs. Subway, eat fresh.
You're at the top of your game. Where do you go from the top? You go over the top. Top the stuff. The Kobe system is about adaptation, attacking fast and strong. Any questions?
What if you're really successful?
He makes a good point. You're welcome.
Okay, so what kind of car should I get? Definitely something affordable. Used.
Now compare new and used cars, even special offers side by side.
That's the one.
So when you find the right car, there won't be any doubt in your mind. Autotrader.com, the ultimate automotive marketplace.
Beast, are you in love? Beast. Beast. Are you in love?